Hello everyone! It is October 1st, which means it's time for the Feed Your Craft holiday release. And I am so excited to share with you this kit. This is the Holiday Happiness Kit designed by In a Creative Bubble for Feed Your Craft. I love it so much. It's so gorgeous. I can't wait to show you all of it. So I'm going to open up the cards and papers and start with that and show you what's inside. So this kit has a combination of 6x8 papers, 4x6 cards, and 3x4 cards. Let's start by taking a look at the 3x4 cards. And as with all Feed Your Craft kits, the backs of them are just a plain grid pattern, so you can use that if you aren't crazy about the front side, but I think you're going to want to use all the patterns in this one. So this one has an adorable little Santa and some gifts. It says it's the most wonderful time of the year. There's the December moments, so very merry or bah humbug. Let's get festive with Celebrate in the background in this gorgeous pink and red color palette. It's beautiful. Holiday happenings, decorated the tree, baked cookies, enjoyed twinkle lights, wrapped presents, made a little magic, watched a holiday movie, listened to Christmas music, spread good cheer, and then a spot for notes at the bottom. 'Tis the season. A little sketchy wood grain pattern. This really beautiful pattern with a deer and a Christmas tree and a dove and some other little patterns. Love that. And then the 12 Days of Christmas. I love that one too. That's a lot of fun. The 4x6 cards have December details with that same wood grain pattern, this time in teal and green. A nice plaid with a bit of distressing. That's really cool looking actually. A 2x2 cut apart, or you could use it as a 4x6. It has 6 little 2x2 squares with sentiments and patterns on them. You could put them in 2x2 pockets or just use it as is. And then Home for the Holidays. No Place I'd Rather Be. Let's Get Warm and Cozy. A Little Cabin Fever. I like that one a lot. I really like the black and white cards kind of mixed in with all these bright colors. Okay, then there is a stack of 6x8 papers. This one is the December 2020 calendar, which would be great at the beginning of your December daily album or in a monthly album. And you could even add like photos or the events that you have planned for the month in the little squares. Oops. There's this really cool pattern. It looks a little like mid-century to me. It has these kind of snowflake asterisks and some trees and dots and other patterns. I really like that one. This one has what could be 2 3x8. So you could use it as it is, or you could cut it in half and have 2 3x8 cards. So if you're doing like a traveler's notebook or a 3x8 album, that would work really well. It would also work really well in a Life Crafted album from Citrus Twist. They have 3x8 pockets for those as well. I really love this one. So it has all of these Christmassy phrases in the background and then these really bright, cheerful little dots that look like confetti sprinkled all over the place. Holiday Moments and Memories. It has like it's like a bingo card. So you can like mark things off as you do them, or maybe put a little stamp over the top so you can still read it, but you would know that you actually did it as a family or however you choose to do the little activities. Really easy things like drink a seasonal beverage, read a holiday classic, made a holiday playlist, did some holiday crafting, hung stockings, etc. I really love this pattern as well. It's pink and red, which is one of my favorite color combinations. Has this kind of snowflake pattern with white dots in the center. I really love it. This one says, Joy, oh what fun, and has a spot for maybe some journaling or for a photo. You could even cut this in half and have 2 4x6 cards. And then a tree pattern with a darker green over a lighter green. Also really beautiful. So those are the cards and the papers from this kit. Let's take a look at the embellishments. So first off, we have to start with the puffy stickers because they're too much. They are just too adorable. I cannot wait to use these. Those little trees, oh my goodness. The coffee cup, it's all just perfect. It's absolutely perfect. So there's lots of phrases. There's a Santa, a deer. Is that a fox? Oh my goodness. I just noticed that. And then this little stay warm with the cup. There's so much here to love. The little peppermint. Every time I look at it, I see something new to love. I seriously, can you tell? I really love these puppy stickers. I'm very excited to use them. Then there's also a set of ephemera. I am going to open this up because there's a lot in here, and I want you to be able to kind of take a look at what's inside. If I can get it open. Okay. So there, look how much is in here. There's so much here. I'm not going to walk you through all of it. I'm just going to kind of lay it out so you can see what's inside. But there are so many cool things. I love that fa la la. Little labels, a little snow globe, stamps, stars or snowflakes, and then there are numbers. So you can actually use this kit to number your December daily if that's how you do it, because it has the all of the days of December in these little number tags, which is super cool. It makes it super easy. Oh my goodness, there's a little coffee cup in here as well. There's this kit. I'm telling you, you guys, it's so stinking adorable, and I'm so excited to play with it. Okay, there's a little gingerbread. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I need to stop myself. So those are the die cuts, and then there's also a stamp set. So it has lots of phrases and icons and titles, and really gorgeous things here. I love the stamp set as well. I love that little Santa. I love the Mary. Like, I can see using that just over and over and over. So many good things here. Okay, guys, so that is the holiday happiness kit from Feed Your Craft and In a Creative Bubble. I would act fast. If you want this kit, it's going to sell out. It's going to sell out quickly. So make sure you follow the link down below and head straight over to the Feed Your Craft shop and pick this up if you are in the market for it, because yeah, it's not going to last. So thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them down below and I will definitely get back to you. Otherwise, have a wonderful day and I will see you back here soon.